So hey everybody and welcome to my travel vlog. This is Harsha and I'll be taking you through my trip from Kuala Lumpur all the way to Philadelphia. So first of all, I've got to be able to see the trip, so I've got to put on my glasses, but oh wait, oh no, what's happening? These glasses are so much cooler. Well, I guess sight's not that important. I think I made the right decision. And we get to watch the beautiful sunrise. And I just joking, I'm actually just doing my assignments. But yep, assignments are important, guys. So if you want, you can go through the whole thing with me. The whole 38 pages. Well, I guess the trip's gonna get much more exciting out from here. So I'll take you guys through a quick stroll of the airport with me. Until, of course, we gotta start with our first meeting of the day here on Zoom. Don't you just love Zoom? But yep, meetings are great. Starting off with some good old fashioned scrolling, and of course, making sure that we have a team check in. So, love all those people that we work with. Always have the time to chat. But anyway, with that, I'm sure our trip is going to get much more exciting. We're boarding the plane right now. And I'm sure there's lots to do. We got lots of movies to watch, lots of exciting things to see. And I fell asleep, didn't I? Okay. Well, that's just, our beginning of the trip, so hopefully it gets more exciting from here. Wait for part 2, or let me know if you want more. See you!